If you're looking for a really great solution to being able to hear podcasts or music as you do loud, noisy work, I've got a great solution for you. These are the 3M Worktunes Bluetooth headphones. A couple of the really good features on here is that they reduce noise. You can use Wi-Fi from your device to the headphones. You can answer calls on them, and the sound is great. Out of the box, they're pretty simple. It's just the headphones themselves and a charging cord. The battery is rechargeable. It's a USB charging cord, and all you have to do is plug it into the wall, and in 30 minutes, you're good to go. In the past, whenever I'm doing work in the garage or when I'm trying to cut the grass, I would use these wired earbuds. Though they would work generally, it's a bit of a pain because you have to really crank the podcast up or crank up the music to be able just to hear it, say over a lawnmower. There's still too much outside noise just wearing a simple pair of earbuds. The solution's the 3M Worktunes. The first thing you notice is right off the bat, there's a 24 decibel reduction in noise, which is really a substantial amount. The outside ambient noise is reduced dramatically even before you turn these on. To turn them on, press that button on the right side and hold it.
Power on, battery high.
It tells you the headphones are on and the battery level. These cuffs are super soft and very comfortable, very easy to wear. Some of the most outstanding features of this is just being able to hear everything at a normal level inside your headphones. So the music doesn't have to be cranked to crazy decibels. You can also, with these, answer your phone. When you get an incoming call, it'll ring. You press this button once, answers it. Your voice is picked up by the mic in these headphones, so you just talk as normal. And when you're done, disconnect the call just by pressing that one more time again. If you don't want to answer the call, you press this button twice. That'll reject the phone call. This is a look at the different features and whether you're in Bluetooth mode or phone mode or audio input mode, any of those are controlled by simple taps on the main button there. When you first get these, all you gotta do is pull them out of the box. It comes with its own charging cable. The cable is inserted right there on the bottom. You only have to wait about 20 to 30 minutes, and it's good to go. Once it's fully charged, you press this button on once. You get a voice assist message inside the headphones telling you it's on, and then you hit this twice. Once the headset is connected, it'll go ahead and tell you through the voice assist that it is connected and it found your device, and then you're good to go. You can get a full day of listening on one charge. What's really cool about these is that the charge lasts for so long. They advertise 8 hours, but I've seen online people saying they last more than 3 days before they need to be recharged. So that's super convenient. You don't want to have these sitting in the outlet more than they're sitting on your head. And so that's pretty cool. The primary purpose of this is listening to a device, say like a phone, wirelessly. There's also another model. We'll put that in a link, an Amazon link in the description below as well. And the other version has a tuner on it, so you can get AM and FM radio signals through it. So it depends on your listening needs, but they make something for just about everybody. You can find links in the description below. We're Amazon affiliates, and if you use our link, we can earn from qualifying purchases. Thanks a lot for helping support our channel. These are definitely a super great resource. Terrific tool. If you're looking for a way to overcome all the noise while you're working, these 3M Worktune headphones are the solution. They really work well. I hope this video was helpful. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.